Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on my GP60 Electromotive Works EMD Electromotive demonstrator. Okay, this is an Atherin blue box. I believe the commutator's a little dirty. She was struggling yesterday. Excuse me. So we're just gonna pop the shell off without popping anything else off. Okay. This might be a short video, but I'm gonna do what we can and get her cleaned up and ready to go. Don't have a proper fiberglass pencil right at the moment. I'm using a fiberglass brush. Yeah, it's not as good, but hopefully it'll get the job done. Looks like we're going to break out the Dremel with a fiberglass wheel. Don't worry, I'm not using, I know better than to use sandpaper. Oh, got some stuff flying out there. Switch to the smaller brush. Can't quite get in there with that. Okay, there we go. This is kind of my first video. So, sorry if I'm sounding a little nervous. Okay, well, let's try this again. There we go, that's working better. Commutator's coming up nice. I took out my microphone, so can't hear me as well over the Dremel. Like I said, this is all fiberglass brushes, so I'm not worried about getting anything in the commutator. Ooh. Ickiness coming out of here. No wonder she was having problems. Yuck. Lots of yuck in here. Sorry. I had you in my view. Better looking. Definitely. Let's see. Maybe a little bit of a napkin wipe will do. No, it's not the best thing to use, but it's what I got available at the moment. There we go, yeah. A little more crud commutator looks better. Let's check out these. Let's check out these wheels. Excuse me. Okay. Yep. Well, I can see why people don't like these snap-on couplers. I mean, look at them cross-eyed and they'll fall off. That noise you're hearing is the air conditioner in the background. Yeah. So, in one hot summer. Why are you being a pain? Stop that. Thank you. Okay. Ooh. Uh-oh. Look what I did to my wire fiberglass brush. Oh, man. Did not expect that. Okay. Now that's garbage, and I know not to use this again. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can clean up some of the tarnish with the fiberglass wheel here. Maybe we will help conduct a little bit better. Fingers crossed. Not that this was a problematic engine. I just noticed they're struggling a little yesterday. One of my least problematic engines, to be honest with you. My least problematic, and has to be one of my favorites because I love demonstrator engines. Love them. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. I'll fix that later off camera. Okay, let's see here. Trying to see if I can see any more gunk anywhere. Let's pop this off. Yeah, a little bit of oiliness under there. Probably shouldn't be there. It's a little tarnished, might get in the way of, might interfere. I'll fix that later. I know it just fell off. As soon as I turned on the Dremel, what I'm going to do is use a little contact fluid. Wherever I put it. Alrighty. Might be one of my longer videos. The longest video. For those of you that don't know, I'm noted for short videos. We'll just use a little contact fluid. Clean that up. We'll get that out of the way for now, so I don't lose it. Alrighty. We'll put some contact fluid on the end of here, go across the commutator, and I'm using Easy Lube, but you can use any contact cleaner as long as it's plastic compatible. Don't forget, use plastic compatible stuff. Otherwise, It may warp or eat your plastic gears if you're using plastic gears. There you go. The nastiness in there. Get it cleaned up. Yeah. Oof. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Alrighty. Only downside about using a paper towel or tissue or napkin, don't use tissues because some of them are lotioned. Napkin or paper towel is it might rip, so be careful of that. Thankfully it didn't happen to me. Commutator's nice and clean now. Yeah. I'll just put the power strip back on, or power bar, pickup bar, whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it a power strip because I'm fancy like that. Looks like I'm gonna have to bend that back into place. I can see why people solder wires, take this off and solder wires to the power pickups. I mean, it is quite a pain in the rear end to get it blend, get it back into shape again. But I don't feel like doing that. I'll just agitate myself right now. I'm being lazy. Everything is hooked up. Cool. Yeah, that thumb. There we go. Alright. Let's get that shell back on. Make sure we're putting on right. Click. Let's hear the old click. I'll scoot on over for the turn the track power on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're going to put this onto my test track. Right here. Say hello to the trolleys. It'd help if I was showing you what I was doing, not showing you my table. And we'll give her a whirl. Reverse. Bathroom blue boxes are noted to be loud, so I'm not worried about the loudness. But that is running smoother. Not struggling at all. Happy engine is a good engine. Alright, test is over. See you in the next one.